pause there and answer any questions anybody has.
Okay, the first question is, are you getting the same amount of money on homes by showing them virtually?
Oh, it's a great question. Um, it depends. Yes, to answer your question, because of the fact. So I'll put it in perspective. We were shut down from the state, meaning that, hey, we had stay-at-home orders. We had to actually shift the way that we sold homes. We were not, we had vacant homes. We were not allowed to even like take photos of a vacant home. So we did some very innovative things. We actually had some innovative things, meaning that we had sellers taking photos of their own homes. We had some fun with it, meaning that sellers actually were taking videos of their home, walking through them. We actually have a lot of examples of them. They're pretty fun. And the great thing about that is even during when we were shut down, we weren't able to do any, hardly any business. And what we were still able to sell the homes. And not only sell the homes, we were getting multiple offers on the home. And why? Because everything I showed you in the beginning, the buyer affordability index, everything that was going on, here, I'll go back to here, the buyer affordability index, all that did not change during COVID. Yeah, showings, as you can see here in Pennsylvania, flatline, but we were able to show homes virtually and get them a buyer. So is it better to have somebody go through a home and see everything, and then also maybe they see other people walking through the home, and there's crazy amounts of urgency that's built up there? It can be, but at the same time, selling home virtually has been very profitable for our home sellers, because they still in that market got multiple offers because of all the marketing. And you also have to realize the virtual tours. Where's this slide? These virtual tours that we're talking about here are very detailed. When you actually go to one of these virtual tours, they're very detailed. They're shot in 4K. They're in what's called a Matterport camera. And if you've ever experienced like Google Maps or walked through anything virtually, you can see a lot of details about a home. And then not only that, if we can get you on this phone with the seller and then answer any of your questions directly with the listing agent, the transparency that we've built with these virtual tours is incredible. You can actually get access to the seller and access to ourselves, where we can answer a lot of different questions for that home buyer. So yes, we were seeing multiple offers in these situations, and still getting them top dollar for their homes, even with virtual shows. But great question.